Hello everyone, this is Amit. In this video we'll learn a trick that, to be honest, I didn't know for a long time. And I bet if you consider yourself a geek or a nerd, I challenge you if you knew this trick or not. And that's about selecting a text with a single click, double click, or a triple click. So let's see, I have this word open and I'm going to just try to add some text. Now this is another trick that probably you may or may not know. It just adds a bunch of text. It's called lorem ipsum, just a random text when you need some text. So that itself is a trick or a tip. You just type equals to lorem and then you specify the number of paragraphs and I think a number of sentences. So if I do 10 comma 10, it'll add those. It's just a random just text, but it helps you to select or do anything when you need certain kind of text, because when you, let's say you're doing a web development and you need to add some text, it's always hard to just create something. So this allows you to do that. Alright, so coming back to our regular tip, if you want to select this, you just basically select or click and then you drag, right? And then you can select and so on. But did you know that if you double click and drag, you can actually select it by the entire word? So if I do, now if you can see, as I move these, it is selecting the entire word. Okay, again, let me try. This is kind of hard to get used to, and again, you need that geek side of yours to finally get it. But single click takes you like this, but double click will not only select a character but the entire word. So you can see as I move that it just selects each of these. Now Word already has this, but let's try in Google Chrome. Okay, so here if I try to select, you can see it is actually only selecting a particular character. But if I double click and drag, now you can see it's actually selecting the entire word. So that's pretty cool. Again, it's just a double click and drag. It's again need a fine tuning of your double click of mouse. So double click, double click, and then this. Now if you master that, then there's another one, third click and drag. So 3 click in a row quickly and drag. Okay, so here I'm going to try. Now here, right there, you can see when I do 3 clicks in a row and drag, it not only picks the word, but it also picks the entire paragraph. And so if I need to select these entire paragraphs, I can quickly select those without worrying about 1 or 2 characters. This one is a hard to master. As you saw, I did have to try a few times. Let's try in Google Chrome. So I want to select all these paragraphs. Yeah, right there. So now I have that feature enabled where it is going to select the entire paragraph. And so I hope you like this trick. It's just a fun trick. I mean, I know you can do everything that I've showed without using these, but being a geek, it helps to learn these tricks. And if you haven't come to the geek side, which is my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel to learn the tips and tricks like these in the future. So all right, thank you very much. Bye.